This is Rick Naples, host of the Real Estate Show here on Nutmeg TV. We've presented a lot of shows over the years, some of which you can go to YouTube, Nutmeg Television, and see, all about the real estate transaction, buying and selling the home. We've even done some virtual tours and created some presentations. But we've found there's been no more challenging year than this past year in 2020. The COVID-19 virus has changed a lot of things for a lot of us, and we're really looking forward to the next year. So, to everyone that watches and to everyone out there that may be looking to buy or sell a home, I wish you a very happy and safe holiday and a very prosperous, looking forward to it, next year.